Hey, it's Zach with Goliath, and today I'm going to give you an overview of the Data Hub page. When you click in, you're going to see lots of different things. You're going to see uploads, exports, skip trace requests, and custom data pipelines. We'll start with the Uploads tab. Here, you're able to upload any contacts that you've had in a previous CRM. You can upload a property list for skip tracing, and soon you'll be able to upload Catalyst events. If you pull your own list of data and you want to upload them and attach that to properties, you'll be able to do that right here. When you click on any of these, you're going to be asked to drop a file into the box. And once you upload it, you'll see it appear here in the file names, and the status will say processing. Once it says completed, you'll get an email notification with the file, as well as have the option to go at any time in here, and you can download the original file you uploaded. You can download the results, so all the skip trace files, or you can view it in the properties table. This allows you to do is take a quick glance at what properties that you were looking at in our system. Now let's head over to the exports page. What you're going to be able to do here is see everything that you've exported, whether it's a single property that you skip traced or you uploaded a file. Once it's completed, it'll show up here, and then you can click on the three dots to do lots of different actions. You can view it in properties, you can download it as a CSV or an Excel file, you can even download it as a meta customer list, or you can download for a multi-line dialer like Enzo, Ready Mode, or Call Tools. This page will show you everything from skip traces all the way to just exports if you just wanted a giant property list based on targets. The next is skip trace requests. This is actually the page where you're going to see each individual request. If you did like a one-off on a single property, that will show up here. And if you want to run a single one-off where you know the name of the person and their address, you can just click on the top right-hand side and type in the information and then skip trace it directly from here as well. If you utilize the top left checkbox, what you're able to do is select it all and then utilize the action button in the top, and you can export this list all so it's in one file in case you were going through and skip tracing individual properties and then you want them all together in one list. And the final section here is going to be custom data pipelines. What you're able to do here is actually request custom data in your area. So you would start here and you'd click on the top right-hand corner. You would give us as much information as possible about the data that you're looking for, where you find it, what cities and counties that you're looking for it in, and then what kind of events that you want monitored, whether it's foreclosures, code violations, etc. We will try to do that for you. If you know how to do it already and you're currently manually doing this, please go ahead and type in a detailed report of exactly how you get the information. If you do this, we're able to build it a lot faster, and we love to make sure that all the data is in real time. Thanks for watching this video about the Data Hub. If you have any more questions about Goliath, please check out our other videos.